Hello, you guys. Welcome to my channel and to a Confessions of a Paperhead Cut File design team layout. I have for you, we're going to play with this Fancy Pants Simply Summer collection today. But when I got this kit from the scrap room in May, which I got it kind of later in May because I asked for it later, I also got the embellishment add-on and the paper add-on, but when I saw this paper and I knew that Virginia came out with this beautiful stitched sun cut file, I knew I had to do it. So I've already gone ahead and cut it on my silhouette and stitched it with just two different yellows actually, but you can barely tell that they're two different yellows. I just ran out. So I literally have this much yellow embroidering floss left. I apparently like to stitch in yellow because I've used all my yellow embroidering floss. But I went ahead and did that on this paper. This is the Simply Floral from the Simply Summer Fancy Pants. This is the other side. Is this light blue pattern with the floral. But I love this. I love how pop it is in your face. And I think I'm gonna put this picture right inside, which I need to trim this down. Got a little crazy with my knotting at the end here. Yeah, I think we're gonna put that right there because I don't really need, yeah. We're gonna do that. I don't know if this layout's gonna be super complicated, honestly, because this I love. So I am going to get my branding strip trimmed off really quick, and then I'm going to glue this onto, what kind of cardstock did I got craft. Do I want to trim a tiny bit off? Maybe, and have a craft border. That might be kind of cute. We'll get it glued down with the photo underneath, and then I'll bring you back and we'll finish embellishing because that's all we're really gonna need to do. So let me get that glued. I'm not gonna pop it up or anything because I just want to get some good adhesive on here so that it gets attached. And yeah, I'm gonna trim a very tiny amount off each edge so we have kind of a border of the craft color. Or do I want... Ooh, or do I want a blue border? Ooh. And I'm gonna quote unquote waste this paper because I need this to be glued. It'll just be better if this is glued and adhered to something. So yeah, I think I might waste my paper and glue this. That might look really cool. I think we're gonna do the blue. Okay, let me get the branding strip trimmed off and I'll trim off edges and I'll decide on that in 2 seconds. All right. I got that all glued down. I went through the ephemera and embellishments that I got in the kit, and not a lot of it was working for what I was trying to do here. But I do have this little radio that I grabbed that I really thought was cute, and one flower, and then I have a few puffy flowers that I think I'm just going to create a little cluster right down here. And then I grabbed the enamel dots. I did grab out these Simple Stories floral bits and pieces that I still have left from Spring Farmhouse because I thought the colors would go well. The yellow is really nice. I don't think it'll clash too much, especially if I make sure to spread it around. We'll see. I'm going to play with that. Didn't find anything super that I was really pulling to for my title. There is this lovely summertime puffy sticker. Thought about using that, but I grabbed out my Ellie Studio title builder stamps and I used volume 3 and... Which one is this one? This is the original. So I grabbed the word adventure and wanted adventure, so I used the S on Moments because they're the same font. I stamped out adventures, and then I did Title Builder 3 and did sunshine. So I think I'm gonna use that. So I might just put that like sunshine. Adventures. I gotta play, and then I did stamp out too with another one. This was the Ellie Studio. What is it? Oh, I just lost it in my sea of stamps here. Sunshine and Laughter, and this is Brighter Days Ahead, and I thought that would be kind of a good one to have like up here or something with a cluster. So I'm gonna do a cluster down here, cluster up here. Was my plan. Also on this Title Builder 3, there's these little bursts things. I might try to tuck those in with just some black on parts of the layout. Who's a thought? I'm not sure. I'm not sure yet. I was gonna look through my stash and see if there's anything, any other floral that would work, just because this is so like poppy colored and these are not. These are the right color. All right, let's kind of get what I'm trying to do figured out here. Bring some of that red color up there. First. What's in these? Ooh, there's like a strawberry. Ooh, in this camera. And it doesn't not necessarily go because I've got, you know, there's not any other color in here besides this light blue and these pops of green. So we could probably tuck whatever the heck we want, pretty much. Kind of liking that. And these are just Park Lane, so it's from Joann's? Yeah. Yeah, I like the brightness of these strawberry and those flowers better than the pale of that. So okay, good. Use some of my stash too. All right, and then I might be able to sneak these cherries in since I got a strawberry in there now. And then I think I'll do some of these. Touched my finger. All right, there. I used up all the enamel dots. I was not intending on that, but I put a bunch on and then there was like 2 left. I'm like, well, and then I wanted to tuck these cherries in. Strawberries. Oh, cherries. Should just tuck them in right here. Yeah, there. The cherries are tucked in. All right. there you have it, guys. I'm going to write my date just right down here with a black pen. But that is it. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye.